Hey everybody, it's Pixel, and today I'm going to be making a fun little treat. I'm going to be making tuna milk casserole. For that I'm going to need a can of tuna, 2 to 3 slices of sourdough bread. I chose 3 because they're smaller, a package of egg noodles, about a medium onion diced, Old Bay seasoning, 1 tomato, about 2 cups of Cheddar cheese, 2 tablespoons of mustard, 3.5 cups of milk, 3 tablespoons of capers, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of cayenne, 3 to 4 tablespoons of flour, and about 4 cloves of garlic. Also need 4 tablespoons of butter. Yay! Well, you know the drill. Let's go. I've got the butter on its way to melting. I'm going to put onions in and the seasonings. Once the onions start cooking, I'm going to start putting in intervals of the flour. We're going to want to give that a couple minutes to get brown and get a... Next, once that flour starts cooking into the onions, we'll be adding in the milk in small intervals, and it'll thicken up really fast, so just keep an eye on it and keep stirring. And once that's in there, mix it in thoroughly to our tuna and noodles. Alright, I'm going to put that into a 9x13 pan. And then layer it with sharp cheddar cheese, put out slices of our tomato. We're going to put out a layer of sourdough bread. And then take the last of the cheddar cheese, sprinkle it all on top. And when it's out of the oven, it'll look like this, which I can't wait to dig into. Okay, the fun time's here to try on out this tuna casserole. Let me get a good bite of everything. We'll dig on in. Honestly, I like the crispy sandwich bread on top. The tomato is kind of weird. Almost, in my opinion, you should put it on after, but then it defeats the whole purpose of being a tuna melt, I guess. Now, the tuna stuff itself is actually really good. So, I'd say it's an overall success. It has a weird little zingy pop from the tomato and a really nice crusty bread cheese combo, so you know the drill. If you like what you saw, don't like what you saw, leave me a like, leave me a comment about it. I will see you in our next video.